Good morning everyone.
Good morning.
Today we are going to read chapter 4 from our Joyful Mathematics book of class 1 and the chapter name is Making 10. Let us read. Dotty Bug and her designs.
Dotty Bug and her designs.
Have you seen a ladybug?
Have you seen a ladybug?
She has dots on her body.
She has dots on her body.
Have you ever noticed
Have you ever noticed
the number of dots?
the number of dots?
A. Write the number of dots
Write the number of dots
on each bug.
on each bug.
B.
B.
Make some dot designs
Make some dot designs
with objects like tamarind seeds,
with objects like tamarind seeds,
pebbles, buttons, bindis, etc.
etc.
And identify the number of dots
and identify the number of dots
in each arrangement.
in each arrangement.
C.
C.
Identify and write the numbers
Identify and write the numbers
formed by the arrangement
formed by the arrangement
of the red bindis.
of the red bindis.
Let us play.
Let us play.
D.
D.
Play with your friend,
Play with your friends.
roll the dice
Roll the dice
and color a box
and color a box
with the same number of dots
with the same number of dots
as on the dice.
as on the dice.
Take turns with your friend
Take turns with your friend
and roll again.
and roll a
Choose the color
choose the color
and fill it in the below boxes.
and fill it in the below boxes.
My color,
My color
blank.
blank.
Friend's color,
Friend's color
blank.
blank.
The child with
The child with
more number of colored boxes will win.
more number of colored boxes will win.
Use the dot and colored flashcards
Use dot and color the flashcards
to help children gain
to help children gain
instant recognition of numbers
instant recognition of numbers
without counting.
without counting.
This is called substitution.
This is called substitution.
Make more cards with dot patterns of
Make more cards with dot patterns of
numbers 1 to 9
numbers 1 to 9
in different designs and sizes as required.
in different designs and sizes as required.
Vanishing buttons.
Vanishing buttons.
Gola monkey wears his favorite shirt
Gola monkey wears his favorite shirt
with 4 buttons.
with 4 buttons.
He went to the garden
He went to the garden
and ate too many bananas
and ate too many bananas
as he was fond of them.
as he was fond of them.
What do you think happened then?
What do you think happened then?
One of the buttons popped out
One of the buttons popped out
and rolled away.
and rolled away.
But he cannot dream of
But he cannot dream of
giving up bananas.
giving up bananas.
And he keeps on losing
And he keeps on losing
all the buttons one by one.
all the buttons one by one.
4 buttons,
4 buttons,
3 buttons,
3 buttons,
2 buttons,
2 buttons,
1 button,
1 button,
0 buttons.
0 buttons.
Discuss the number of buttons
Discuss the number of buttons
left on the shirt at the end.
left on the shirt at the end.
Ask children to name objects,
Ask children to name objects,
things around them
things around them,
whose number is 0.
whose number is 0.
Let children understand that
Let children understand that
0 is also a number like 1,
0 is also a number like 1,
2 and other numbers.
2 and other numbers.
Discuss with children about the benefits of
Discuss with children about the benefits of
balanced diet
balanced diet
and ill effects of overeating.
and ill effects of overeating.
Write the number of birds
Write the number of birds
sitting on the branch of the tree.
sitting on the branch of the tree.
Write 0.
Write 0,
0.
0.
Think and tell.
Think and tell.
A.
A.
How many suns
How many suns
do you see in the night?
do you see in the night?
B.
B.
How many moons
How many moons
do you see at noon?
do you see at noon?
Use concrete objects
Use concrete objects
to demonstrate the idea of 0
to demonstrate the idea of 0
by reducing one object each time.
by reducing one object each time.
Discuss the situations
Discuss the situations
where something is absent
where something is absent
and its number is called as 0.
and its number is called as 0.
Like there are 0 buses in the classroom.
Like there are 0 buses in the classroom.
Also encourage children
Also encourage children
to count backward from 5 to 0 initially
to count backwards from 5 to 0 initially
and later from 9 to 0.
and later from 9 to 0.
10th birthday.
10th birthday.
It is Astha's 10th birthday.
It is Astha's 10th birthday.
Her father prepared halwa for her.
Her father prepared halwa for her.
She is celebrating the birthday
She is celebrating the birthday
with her friends.
with her friends.
I am 9 years old,
I am 9 years old,
and after one more year,
and after 1 more year,
I will be 10 years old.
I will be 10 years old.
So,
So,
9 and 1 more makes 10.
9 and 1 more makes 10.
She has lighted
She has lighted
blank diyas on her birthday.
diyas on her birthday.
Count and write the number of objects.
Count and write the number of objects.
Beads,
Beads,
laddus,
Laddus,
crayons,
crayons,
bananas,
bananas,
leaves.
leaves.
Let us do
Let us do
A.
A.
Count and draw beads
Count and draw beads
to make a string of 10 beads.
to make a string of 10 beads.
1,
1,
2,
2,
3,
3,
4.
4.
B.
B.
Draw buttons
Draw buttons
to make a 10 frame of buttons.
to make a 10 frame of buttons.
1,
1,
2,
2,
3,
3,
4.
4.
The handy 5 and 10.
The handy 5 and 10.
Follow the pattern
Follow the pattern
and write the number pairs
and write the number pairs
separated by the stick.
separated by the stick.
1 and 4.
1 and 4.
Blank and blank.
Blank and blank.
Blank and blank.
Blank and blank.
Let us play.
Let us play.
Show 3 fingers.
Show 3 fingers.
Your friend has to show some fingers
Your friend has to show some fingers
to make it 5.
to make it
Number pairs of 10.
number pairs of 10.
Let us play the finger game
Let us play the finger game
with our both hands.
with our both hands.
A child will show some fingers.
A child will show some fingers.
The other child has to show
The other child has to show
the other fingers that are folded.
the other fingers that are folded.
Follow the pattern
Follow the pattern
and write the number pairs
and write the number pairs
in the given table.
in the given table.
1,
1,
9,
9,
10.
10.
Let us play a card game.
Let us play a card game.
Number cards.
Number cards.
Sets of 0 to 10.
Sets of 0 to 10.
Keep all cards face down.
Keep all cards face down.
One child picks up a card
One child picks up a card
and keeps it face up.
and keeps it face up.
The other child picks up another card
The other child picks up another card
and keeps its face up.
and keeps it face up.
If the pair of cards make 10,
If the pairs of cards make 10,
then the second student
then the second student
takes both the cards
takes both the cards
and the turn goes back to the first student,
and the turn goes back to the first student
who will pick up another card
who will pick up another card,
counting up to 20.
counting up to 20.
Simran lives in Nagpur.
Simran lives in Nagpur.
She is helping her father
She is helping her father
in packing oranges.
in packing oranges.
A box can hold 10 oranges.
A box can hold 10 oranges.
Let us count the number of oranges.
Let us count the number of oranges.
10,
10,
10,
10.
10 and 1 is
10 and 1 is
11.
11.
10 and 2 is
10 and 2 is
12.
12.
Have a discussion
Have a discussion
to help children to understand
to help children to understand
and remember the number partitions
and remember the number partitions
of 5 and 10.
of 5 and 10.
For example,
For example,
if the teacher says 2,
if the teacher says 2,
the child should respond 3.
the child should respond 3.
When doing partitions of 5,
When doing partitions of 5,
similarly,
similarly,
if the teacher says 4,
if the teacher says 4,
the child should respond 6.
the child should respond 6.
When doing partitions of 10,
When doing partitions of 10,
this is the time
this is the time
when children
when children
start counting beyond 10.
start counting beyond 10.
Draw attention towards the fact that
Draw attention towards the fact that
there is always a number,
there is always a number,
one more than the previous number.
one more than the previous number.
10 and 3 is
10 and 3 is
13.
13.
10 and 4 is
10 and 4 is
14.
14.
10 and 5 is
10 and 5 is
15.
15.
10 and 6 is
10 and 6 is
16.
16.
10 and 7 is
10 and 7 is
17.
17.
10 and 8 is
10 and 8 is
18.
18.
10 and 9 is
10 and 9 is
19.
19.
10 and 10 is
10 and 10 is
20.
20.
Write the numbers 11 to 20.
Write the numbers 11 to 20.
11,
11,
12,
12,
13,
13,
14,
14,
15,
15,
16,
16,
17,
17,
18,
18,
19,
19,
20,
20,
14,
14,
19,
19,
17,
17,
11,
11,
20,
20,
13,
13,
18,
18,
15,
15,
12,
12,
19.
19.
Help the children to count
Help the children to count
concrete objects up to 20
concrete objects up to 20
using groups of 10 and units.
using groups of 10 and units.
Give them a handful of seeds
Give them a handful of seeds
or buttons not more than 20.
or buttons not more than 20.
Ask them to guess the number first,
Ask them to guess the number first,
then group and count.
then group and count.
How close was the guess?
How close was the guess?
Let children reason out
Let children reason out
the basis for their guesses.
the basis for their guesses.
A.
A.
Count and write the answers.
Count and write the answers.
B.
B.
Color the 10 frames
Color the 10 frames
to show the number.
to show the numbers.
14,
14,
19,
19,
16.
16.
C.
C.
Write down the numbers in sequence.
Write down the numbers in sequence.
1,
1,
3,
3,
8,
8,
6,
6,
9,
9,
12,
12,
15,
15,
20.
20.
D.
D.
Encircle a group of 10
Encircle a group of 10
in the pictures
in the pictures
and match with the number.
and match with the numbers.
17,
17,
16,
16,
20,
20,
10.
10.
E.
E.
A group of friends while playing
A group of friends while playing
build some towers.
build some towers.
1.
1.
Tick the tallest tower.
Take the tallest tower.
2.
2.
Which tower used the most number of blocks?
Which tower used the most number of blocks?
Write the number of blocks used in it.
Write the number of blocks used in
Blank.
blank.
3.
3.
Which tower used the least number of blocks?
Which tower used the least number of blocks?
Write the number of blocks used in it.
Write the number of blocks used in it.
Let us do.
Let us do.
A.
A.
Circle the smallest number.
Circle the smallest number.
1,
1,
8,
8,
12,
12,
6,
6,
2,
2,
14,
14,
11,
11,
19.
19.
B.
B.
Circle the biggest number.
Circle the biggest number.
1,
1,
16,
16,
19,
19,
11,
11,
2,
2,
11,
11,
17,
17,
9.
9.
C.
C.
Find the numbers
Find the numbers
hidden under the paw.
hidden under the paw.
1,
1,
blank,
blank,
15,
15,
16,
16,
blank,
blank,
18,
18,
2,
2,
blank,
blank,
12,
12,
blank,
blank,
14,
14,
15,
15,
3,
3,
15,
15,
blank,
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 19,
19,
4,
4,
13,
13,
blank,
blank,
15,
15,
blank,
blank,
blank.
blank.
D.
D.
Write the numbers
Write the numbers
from the biggest to the smallest.
from the biggest to the smallest.
11,
11,
3,
3,
16,
16,
20,
20,
13,
13,
9.
9.
Let children find out
Let children find out
their ways to decide
their ways to decide
which number is bigger.
which number is bigger.
Ask them why have they decided so.
Ask them why have they decided so.
The children must understand that
The children must understand that
15 is bigger than 11
15 is bigger than 11
because it is 4 more than 11,
because it is 4 more than 11,
and similarly for other numbers up to 20.
and similarly for other numbers up to 20.
E.
E.
Let us count and write.
Let us count and write.
1.
1.
Number of blocks,
Number of blocks
blank.
blank.
2.
2.
Number of white dots,
Number of white dots
blank.
blank.
F.
F.
Join the numbers from 1 to 20.
Join the numbers from 1 to 20.
Is it an animal or a bird?
Is it an animal or a bird?
Project work.
Project work.
A.
A.
Find out the things from your surroundings.
Find out the things from your surroundings.
that are in the group of 10.
that are in the group of 10.
For example,
For example,
bindi cards having bindis
bindi cards having bindis
in the groups of 10.
in the groups of 10.
B.
B.
Ask children to make
Ask children to make
their own number cards 10 to 20.
their own number cards 10 to 20.
They can use old cardboards,
They can use old cardboards,
waste materials, etc.
waste materials, etc.
Encourage children to recognize the group of 10
Encourage children to recognize the group of 10
while counting the objects beyond 10.
by counting the objects beyond 10.